Good morning, Matthew. How are you?
Good, thanks. Good.
Great. Matthew, so what is your profession?
I'm in property development. So
Wonderful.
focusing on townhouses and land subdivisions.
Great. So what have drawn your attention to come to this China buying trip?
I wanted to come see the Canton Fair and thought I'd try it solo, and then realised I'd probably be out of my depth, so I picked a professional group to provide a great tour service and met a lot of suppliers.
How did you come across China direct sourcing?
It was just a quick Google exercise. You got a very good name, because I'm pretty sure I just Googled China direct sourcing and your company came up, so it was very handy.
Wonderful. So, how long have you been enjoying this trip?
I've been enjoying it from the start. It was I met you before the flight and ironically sat next to you without ever meeting, so it all worked out pretty well from my end. But no, I can't fault any part of it. It's been a great exercise using the trade assistants going through the Canton Fair, and it's been lovely meeting suppliers for dinner and seeing their factories.
What's the highlight of this trip?
I think it was a dinner last night. It was an amazing project management group and builder that we caught up with that did a beautiful restaurant that we actually ate at, and the food was amazing.
Wonderful. So through this whole China buying trip and Canton Fair trip, and what is the biggest insight you have?
It's probably just the opportunity for cost benefits moving forward. And especially using some of the architecture services and interior design services over here to match piece together the internals of future developments and streamline a bit of that early investigation.
So with the people sitting on the fence and thinking of coming or not coming or using us or not, what is your advice?
I think it would be a wasted trip if I tried to do it myself. The cost of doing it is much cheaper than the outcome that gets brought on from meeting the people directly, and also just having someone there to be an intermediary.
Wonderful. What is the last words you want to say? About the people are thinking.
About the what? Sorry.
About the people are thinking of coming.
Oh, just do it. It's worth it 100%. But the products here, there are some that aren't so great, but I think the majority of what I've seen has been of great quality. Ultimately everything comes out of China that we put into our developments, and if you can get a great relationship with someone direct here and have someone also quality assess it as it comes through, then there's a lot of value.
Wonderful. Thank you very much, Matthew.